Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name's Adult Cream, and today we'll be reviewing robitussin. I hope I got that right. Cough control. Its benefits. Right, let's read some of the benefits. Right, it helps dry coughs, wet coughs. No, I'm just joking. It doesn't say that. Dry coughs, chest constipation, congestion. Sorry, that's totally my bad. Soothes throat, and then a bunch of stuff in French. It's 250 milliliters. Yeah, milliliters, not milligrams. That'd be crazy. Crazier than my mum's cat. Anyway, so let's read it. It says dosage. Now, obviously, you guys gotta read this. Don't just take my word for it. But for an adult, 12 years old and over, 2 teaspoons. So I got me trusty tablespoon here, because that's like 2 teaspoons. And let's give this bad boy a taste. Right. I'll drink this quickly, otherwise it'll go everywhere. I won't fill it up, because knowing me, I'll spill it everywhere. That's not so bad, actually. It doesn't kick you like some of the other ones. Some of them, you have it and it just kicks you down. It's like, boom! There you go, bruvs! Get on the floor and lay there for hours. You know, lay there for hours screaming, why did I do this? But no, it's good. See, just proof that I finished it. It's sweet. It is kind of sweet. So I don't mind. I find its effects very mild, but I can feel it soothing my throat. So I'm going to give this bad boy 1 3/4 of... Wait. Alright, so 1 3/4 of a thumbs up. I was trying to hide the spoon somewhere, but yeah, I tried to put it in my mouth and I realised I can't talk, so that wasn't very sensible. But thanks for watching. Feel free to hit subscribe in the section below, or spoon around, it's up to you. Or give us a thumbs up if you're up to it. Or leave a comment in the section below. If you got to this last bit, feel free to leave a spoons are awesome comment. Just why not? Because it's funny. So yeah, leave a spoons are awesome comment if you like watching this show. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye. Wee.